What's up guys, remember here's another video, and today's going to be another Lego unboxing. It's not going to be my typical micro builds, but it's definitely going to be something that I've been looking forward to, and I kind of have an idea what it is. So this Lego set 7131 came out in 1999 during Star Wars Episode 1, The Phantom Menace. So this is supposed to be 100% complete. So hopefully it really is. There you go, 7131. So all the pieces basically put together. So here we got a classic little Anakin. It's actually pretty worn. You can tell it's not a deal breaker, but definitely noted. Here you got Padme. So let's try to get this together. It's a common mistake, so you know, first time building it, so bear with me. So far so good. You know, building this is actually pretty cool. I do find it fairly fascinating. Even though it's a low-tech Lego design, it's really not too bad, especially not from 1999. The pieces seem like they're holding up pretty well, and you know, I'm really looking forward to continue building this and possibly doing a comparison in the near future. Alright, so far we're all done. And I got some extra pieces. Not really sure what this is for, but I'll worry about it later. I wouldn't go for playability, quality, and then price. Now, if you really think about it in terms of price, it's really not too bad considering it comes with technically 3 minifigures. Even though it's only 2 actual ones and this is just a buildable one, it's still not too bad. So looking at young Anakin, he's really not too bad. Pretty well detailed in my opinion. You know, especially for the year back in 1999, there wasn't really too much effort into it. So he does not have a double side. He's not double-sided face. So it's still not too bad in my opinion. Yeah, still not too bad in my opinion. Overall, pretty clean little figure. Basically plain. just a regular yellow head. So you remove the helmet, just a plain yellow head. And go ahead and put that back on. So here we got Padme. Basically, she got a basic Lego head, which is not really anything too crazy, and also a hairpiece. She does have some printing on the chest, which is nothing too crazy as well. Then you have this little droid right here. It's really not too bad, fairly basic. Really nothing to say about him. Now, if we're talking about the podracer, the details in this Lego set is really not too bad. You can see it has little handles to, you know, maneuver things and fly around. Then also the little vents goes up and down, which is not too bad. Now, if you're talking about playability wise, I'll give this like an 8, just because there's so many options just to play. Even though it is an old set, and I wouldn't recommend playing in this, you know, it still has a great aspect of value when it comes to playability. So before I get roasted in the comments, yes, I already know I had it backwards and I just fixed it. Overall, I think this Lego set is really not too bad, and I do like it. I do like how it comes. I do like the way the playability aspect of it is. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see me do a comparison with the new, I think it was the 2020-2019 podracer, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.